Hi everyone, I'm August and this video is for a huge holiday collaboration hosted by Venom Fluid Art and Creations by Christy. Darren, Kayleen, Christy, thank you so much for bringing everybody together, hosting this huge event, and for inviting me to participate. There is a playlist in the description below with all the artists who are involved in this collaboration, so please check that out. For my painting, so I wanted something, Christmassy or holiday themed, so I ended up doing just a straight bloom transfer because I thought it might come out looking like a snowflake, like an abstract snowflake. I guess it does, but I also think it kind of looks like the clown the clown Pennywise from the movie It. So I thought that was pretty cool. There'll be dried resin results at the end of this. How we're doing it is I have a wooden board that I'm going to put my house paint pillow down, and then I'm going to set that aside. I'm going to grab this little board and I just reuse this over and over and over for transfers. I'm going to put down more house paint pillow, my colors, SHELEE Art Cell Activator, and blow this out just like a normal bloom. So what's cool about the transfer, instead of just doing a bloom down on that big board, blowing it out and spinning it, when you transfer it, the cells come out differently. They have elongated look to them. The lacing comes out differently, so it gives it a much different look. So after we have our bloom blown out, I get my little scooper and I just scoop that bloom up. Now, I do put some house paint on the edge of this palette knife before I scoop it up, and that's just to make it easier to scoop all the colors up. The colors don't attach to the palette knife and stretch out more than I would like. Hope that makes sense. So after we have our bloom scooped up on this palette knife, all I'm doing is laying that down on top of this board. And it's like with any transfer, as you start your transfer, that paint is just gonna be dripping, pouring off the edge of your palette knife. As you get more across the board, you're gonna angle your palette knife to help the rest of that paint drip off. I hope you guys enjoy it. Let me know, does it look like a snowflake? Does it look like the clown from the movie It? Does it look like maybe a flower? I don't know. Let me know what you think. Again, Christy, Darren, Kayleen, thank you so much for having me. I'm looking forward to all the other videos. For everybody else, I hope you have a great holiday season. Spend it with family, friends, loved ones. And I believe that was everything. So enjoy the holidays and thank you for being here.